Hey there, beautiful souls! Welcome back to Pick Bliss, where we believe growing older should feel lighter, stronger, and full of vitality. Now tell me honestly, have you ever felt your muscles getting a little weaker? Like carrying groceries feels tougher than before? Or those stairs seem steeper? You're not alone. But here's the good news. You can fight back naturally, just by adding the right foods to your plate. Let's talk about the 7 amazing foods every senior over 70 should be eating to stay strong, independent, and energetic. These are not fancy or hard-to-find foods. They're simple, everyday items with mighty power. And don't miss number 6. It's surprisingly powerful, but often overlooked. Eggs are like nature's multivitamin. They're packed with high-quality protein and a special amino acid called leucine, which your muscles absolutely love. Starting your day with 1 or 2 boiled or poached eggs gives your body the building blocks it needs to maintain strength. And no, you don't need to skip the yolk. That's where the magic lives. Greek yogurt isn't just tasty. It's loaded with twice the protein of regular yogurt. Plus, it's gentle on digestion and full of probiotics to keep your gut happy. And a healthy gut means better nutrient absorption. Tip: choose the plain version. Add a few blueberries or a drizzle of honey, and boom, delicious and muscle-loving. This is not just for seafood lovers. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation and support muscle repair. Even just 2 servings a week can help you stay strong and protect those joints. Try it grilled with a sprinkle of herbs. Your body and taste buds will thank you. You don't need a superhero cape. You just need a little spinach. This leafy green is full of magnesium and iron, both essential for muscle strength and energy. Toss it into your smoothie, sauté it with garlic, or mix it into your soup. Easy ways to sneak in that green goodness. Here's a little trick. Eat a small bowl of cottage cheese before bed. It contains casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps your muscles fueled while you sleep. It's like giving your muscles a gentle hug all night long. Beans are humble, but wow, are they powerful? They're full of protein, fiber, and help keep your energy steady all day long. Black beans, lentils, chickpeas, take your pick. They're budget-friendly, easy to cook, and perfect for soups, salads, or even tacos. These are your snack time superstars. A handful of almonds or walnuts, a spoon of chia or flax seeds. They're rich in magnesium, healthy fats, and protein. Just be mindful of portion sizes. They're powerful in small amounts. Let's not forget something simple: water. Even mild dehydration can make your muscles feel stiff or tired. Add lemon, mint, or cucumber slices to your water if plain isn't your thing. Hydration is strength. Here's a quick recap of your muscle-loving food list: eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, spinach, cottage cheese, beans, and nuts and seeds. Add even a few of these to your weekly meals, and you'll start to feel the difference in your energy, balance, and strength. If you found this helpful, do give us a thumbs up. It truly supports the channel. Subscribe for more real natural wellness tips designed especially for life after 50. We created a free guide just for seniors: Fruits to Love and Leave After 50. Check the link in the description. We made it just for you. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods is already in your kitchen? Which one will you try this week? Take care of yourself. You're worth it. See you in the next video.